In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an autoplay presentation in Google Slides. Whether you're prepping for a meeting, setting up a kiosk display, or just want a hands-free presentation experience, this guide will walk you through every step. By the end, you'll be ready to let your slides do the talking. To start, open your presentation in Google Slides. If you haven't already logged into your Google account and navigated to the specific presentation you want to use, go ahead and do that. Once you have your presentation open, take a moment to review it. Make sure all your slides are in the desired order and everything looks the way you want it to. Now, when you're all set and satisfied with the presentation content, it's time to move on to presenting. Look at the top right corner of your Google Slides interface. You should see a button labeled either Present or Slideshow. Click on that, and your presentation will jump directly into full screen mode, showcasing the slides in all their glory. While in this presentation mode, you want to bring your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. When you move your cursor here, you'll notice a small control panel appear. Included in this panel is a button with 3 dots, also known as the More Options button or menu. Click on this to reveal additional settings available to tailor your slideshow experience. Now, from this More Options menu, look for the Autoplay feature. It might also be labeled something similar if Google has made updates to the interface. The Autoplay setting allows you to choose how long each slide should display before automatically advancing to the next. Consider what pace is best for your audience. If your slides are heavy on text or detailed graphics, you might want to give viewers more time to absorb the content. Conversely, if your slides are more image-focused or simplified, shorter durations could work perfectly fine. Once you've decided on the timing for each slide, there's an additional feature you might want to utilize. If you'd like the presentation to loop continuously, locate the option labeled Loop or perhaps Restart after last slide. Enabling this setting will automatically start the slideshow over from the beginning once it reaches the end, creating a seamless, recurring presentation experience. This is particularly useful in situations where people might join or leave at different times, like during a public display or a trade show booth. Finally, if the option presents itself, press the Play button. This might be required to actually start the slideshow on its autoplay journey, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. Your Google Slides presentation is now automated to your specifications, allowing you to focus on engaging your audience while your slides smoothly transition from one to the next. Enjoy the confidence that comes with a well-prepared presentation.